Vic Pro na ako.
Kid, I've traveled all over Northeast so many times, but I can gladly fucking say this, that Darby Allin is the fucking craziest I've ever seen. That being said, happy Darby Allin Day. A huge shout out to your autonomous council and everyone back in the stage, from the performers to the providers, sound, stage, PA. Oh my God, it's because of you that this happens, yeah? Trust me, very, very, very soon. So thanks for having me and my beloved team, Darby Allin. Alright, do you guys want to party?